So I've been really wanting to wear my hair straight. So that's what I'm gonna try to attempt to do today. I really hope that this comes out beautiful like I want it to. I haven't straightened out my hair since June of 2018, so it's been like a year and a half. So yeah, I've been really desperate to see how my hair looks straightened out. I'm just looking at the mirror right here. But yeah, I washed my hair last night, so my roots are pretty dry. It's just down here. It's pretty damp. Well, it's a little bit damp. Yeah. Yeah, here you guys can see my hair. Also bought a new blow dryer. Got this blow dryer specifically for this video, and it was like, I think it was like $27. I think so. And it came with the little air concentrator little attachment. It also came with a diffuser, and I've been wanting to use a diffuser for a long time. Like, I don't know why it's taking me so long, but when I saw this came with this, I just had to get it. And I also got a new flat iron. I'm just using this one right here. And then for heat protecting, I'm going to use this from Tresemme. I just got this based off of recommendations. A lot of people told me that this was good for straightening your hair out, so I hope that it is good. I think I'm just going to go ahead and spray this throughout my hair, just so that I don't put too much in my hair, because I really don't want my hair to be weighed down. Y'all, I really hope I'm not putting too much of this, but like, it's just my hair is so big, I just don't want to miss a piece. Got this blow dryer plugged up. I'm gonna put it on high and let me see how that feels. It actually like heats up pretty quick. It's already feeling. Oh, and it was only on warm. Wait, if I put it on hot. Y'all, this gets hot so quick. Like, my old blow dryer, it did not get hot this quick. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have it on hot. Have it on hot and low. Yeah, we'll start out with that and see. Okay, so this is the most stretched out I'm gonna get my hair. Trying to blow dry it. It's just taking way too long. And I just don't have the patience. I'm sorry, I just don't. I know I could get it straighter, but I just don't feel like it. I'm over with it. So let's go ahead and get the flat iron.